Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Irma Suryani with NBMA 1B023045. In this video, I'm going to present about my journal in English literature. So, the title of my journal is Impact of Western Thought in English Literature. What's the article about? So, this article examines the great influence of Western thought on the development of English literature from time to time, previously from classical to modern times. In this article, the author wants to convey how Western philosophy became the main basic in the development of English literature. This study is also to find the close relationship between literature and philosophy. So, in this journal, there are the influence of Western philosophy in various periods of English literature. The first one is classical era or ancient Greek and Roman philosophy. In the classical era, Greek and Roman thought, such as the philosophy of Socrates, Plato, and Aristotle, provide a moral and aesthetic foundation for English literature. For example, Aristotle's theory of tragedy influenced the development of English drama, while the themes of morality in Shakespeare's works reflected classical philosophy's ideas on virtue and power. Epic works such as the Aeneid by Virgil also influenced literary views on honor and responsibility. The second one is the Middle Age or medieval Christian philosophy. In the Middle Age, Christian philosophy played a dominant role in English literature by presenting religious themes and moral allegories. Famous examples include Dante's The Divine Comedy, which depicts man's spiritual journey, and Chaucer's The Canterbury Tales, which reflects society values through religion stories. The combination of theology and literature creates works that not only illustrate faith but also enrich intellectual insight into human life. And then the third one is Renaissance. The Renaissance brought a great influence of humanist philosophy into English literature, focusing on individual freedom, the majesty of morality, and the power of knowledge. Works such as Paradise Lost by John Milton depict human struggles in the context of freedom and sin. Reflecting the humanist spirit of the era, this period brought together elements of classical and Christian philosophy to create literature that explored the meaning of human existence in a profound way. The fourth one is Age of Enlightenment to Romanticism. The Enlightenment's emphasis on reason and individual freedom influenced writers' output. Romanticism brought an appreciation of nature and introspection. In the Age of Enlightenment, relationality and individual freedom become central themes in English literature. Works such as Pride and Prejudice by Jane Austen highlight the tension between reason and emotion, reflecting the influence of the philosophy of rationalism. Meanwhile, the Romanticism era prioritized human emotion and appreciation of nature. As seen in Wordsworth's poetic works, this period marked the transition from rational thought to the exploration of feelings and imagination. And the last one is Modernism and Postmodernism, 19th and 20th century philosophical. This article discusses how realism and existentialism in modern literature explore human nature and existential questions. In the 20th century, British literature was increasingly influenced by the ideas of modernism and existentialism, which explored themes of nihilism, loneliness, and the search for the meaning of life. An example is Franz Kafka's The Metamorphosis, which depicts the alienations of the individuals in modern society. Postmodern works such as Infinite Jest by David Foster Wallace reflect the complexity of human life through philosophical and introspective narratives. And then the results of this journal is this article shows that Western philosophy has historically been a major source of inspiration and ideas for English literature. This interaction helps to enrich literary themes and narratives, reflecting the social, ethical, and spiritual values of different epochs. Because from the beginning of this article, it is about how the influence of Western philosophy and English literature. And the conclusion of this article is Western concepts have long been a part of English literature. Every period in history has had a major influence on literature, from ancient Greek philosophy to modern philosophical movements. These works not only help us understand ways of thinking and human values that are important to today's society, but also capture the cultural atmosphere and spirits of time. By continuing research and discussion to better understand the inner life of human beings, it is hoped that literature and philosophy will continue to flourish and become stronger in modern society. I also have my own conclusion for this journal. I'm gonna tell to you guys. The conclusion of this article is that Western thought has greatly influenced the development of English literature from ancient times to the present. Ideas from philosophers such as Plato, Aristotle, and modern thinkers help shape the themes, styles, and stories in literary works. Conversely, literature is also a way to convey philosophical ideas to make easier for people to understand. The author also emphasized the importance of studying philosophy and literature together, as they complement each other and help us understand human life and culture better. In the future, further research could make these relationships even stronger and more beneficial to modern society. I think that's all from my presentation. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.